Here I have the MGC square one, the best square one on the market, and now let's see the unboxing. So it comes with an accessories box which contains a screwdriver and these black caps, and then tutorial which most people don't need, and the square one. And by the way, this is loop serviced, as you can see here. Standard loop service, regular. The old square one was the Euxin Little Magic square one, non-magnetic, and you should set up this or this will become even worse. So now let's unpack it. This is always satisfying. So there's a bit lube outside, and this is frosted. You can just like see this one glows and this one kind of, but this is frosted. So now let's do the first ones. Oh, the slice magnets, it's strong, and there are no magnets. Let's do the parachute. Oh my god. This lockups. I should tighten it. Oh my god, this is a bit uncontrollable. This layer is a bit unstable, I don't know why. But overall it's so smooth. I think you should put loop service for this. Oh, I lost it. Yeah. So now let me do in the Euxin Little Magic square one. So the same. So these layers are smooth and the slice magnets are too strong. Now you can see a magnet over here, a magnet over here and here. So now I'm going to tighten it. It's so tight. Let's check the tensions. Okay, so this moves so freely, like this. Like the Euxin Little Magic just turns like U1, but this one turns like U2 very easily. So of course this is gonna be my main. Now let's check the weight of this. Okay, so the Euxin Little Magic is of course lighter than this. This weighs something like 97 grams. I can just feel the slice magnets being strong. Like, see here, this strange lockup happens, but in this it doesn't. It just doesn't do it. So let's just do a quick solve. I'm averaging about 30 to 40 seconds in the square one, and I think my times will improve with this square one. This is very light. Like the turning is very light, but it's nice. So guys, I'm now putting the black pieces on. So now this is what it looks without the magnets. Here 2 magnets, here 2, here and here 2. So now, and hope nothing happens to my hand. Now for better installation, I put one corner and I put all 4 edges. Now let's just put the corners back. So this is a pretty big process, and you should do it without damaging these pieces, because they might be needed in the future if anything breaks. So now just the last piece. So I don't know why it isn't going. So wait, what's the problem with this? Yeah, everything's right. So all set. Now the only thing is left is to change the bars. So all, and just gonna switch it around like this. So here you can see a magnet, here one, here one. And if you made it till here, the review will be so soon, like after 10 days or so. And the last piece. So now let's just change it. So now just see how cool it looks. Now let's check the color shades. This feels a bit heavier. Yeah, everything is fine. So the only bad thing about this is that it just lock up, so I don't want to do it again, like this strange thing. But other than that, this is an amazing cube. You can buy this. This is for 1500 rupees. With discount coupons and all, you will get it for like 1450 rupees. The links will be in the description below. So bye guys, see you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.